Don't these cookies just look delicious? Hey, I'm Katie, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Italian wine cookies. Let's get into it. For this recipe, you will need 1/2 cup white wine. You can also use a dry red, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, sugar for coating, and 1 teaspoon anise seeds. You'll also want a cookie sheet, and a silicone liner or parchment paper is fine. Before you do anything else, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time for some wine. You're going to start by adding in your wine, then your oil, your sugar, salt, baking powder, and anise seeds. Now go ahead and mix it up. Here's what it should look like at this point. Now it's time to gradually add your flour to the mixture and mix it up. You'll know you're ready for the next step when your mixture looks like this. Go ahead and knead your dough on a lightly floured surface to get it worked together. Now it's time to shape your cookies. You're gonna roll out little logs about 5 inches long and then make little donuts that don't really have holes. See here how it's almost a spiral, but it's a circle? That's what you're going for. Okay, one more time. You're gonna roll out your little log. Make sure you're working with the right shape. It's okay to pick it up. And roll it into a little holeless donut, just like that. Now just do all the rest of your dough, and then we can move on to the next step. Now we're gonna go ahead and dip our unbaked cookies into some sugar. I tried to go fancy with this and used turbinado sugar. It didn't really work out how I planned. I recommend just granulated sugar in the future, but you're gonna just take your little cookies and swish them around in there and get them as coated as you can, and then they'll be ready to bake. Into the oven they go. You're gonna go ahead and bake these for 25 to 30 minutes or until they're golden brown, just like this. Now I added an extra step that you really don't need to do. I just did because the sugar that I added didn't really give me the look that I wanted. You can always do this if you want though. It makes them look better. You can just dust them with some powdered sugar for a little extra pizzazz. And there you have it, Italian wine cookies. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, and I will see you next time.